Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to fix File Explorer layout. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your File Explorer layout. To fix your File Explorer layout, first thing you need to do is open up your File Explorer. After you open that, choose let's say this one right here, background from this. There we go. As you see right there. Now, you can fix the layout. For example, you don't like that layout, just go to View. Then choose which one of this. You can choose it large, maybe small icon, tiles. We have content here. We have lists, large, medium, and details. There you go. You see? And not only that, you can also sort it by its date, or maybe its size, or maybe its tag, type, or maybe its rating. There you go. You see? So yeah, there you go. And so that's how you fix your File Explorer. You can change it. If you don't like it, just fix it. Just go to View. After clicking View, then choose which one of this that you want. But for now, we're going to choose the large icon. And a quick tip for you guys, a small tip for you guys. If you want it to be like the original, its default state, to fix it, just click on Options right here. After clicking on Options right there, you can see right here, you can restore it to default. As you can see, there you go. Restore it to default. And not only that, guys, you can also open it with only one click, not double click, but you need to click on right here. There you go. As you can see. But we're gonna leave it to double click only. So there you go, restore to default. Then apply. And okay. There you go. Now it's back to its default original place. You see. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.